Hi, I'm Keith Cotter and welcome to the HSB Academy tutorial session. In this session we're going to take a look at span direction mainly on floors and roofs. We do know that in Revit today you're able to control the span direction of your floor and your roof, but the difference here is that in hsbDesign design we can control the span of your structural elements in both floors and roof within your detail. So as you define your details for floors and roofs, you can also specify the span direction and hence be able to frame that floor and roof with the span direction that you selected. So let's jump in and take a look and see how we do this. So here we have a typical flat roof structure. This could be a floor or a roof. And I'm now going to go to the detail modifier in the details itself. And I'm selecting this particular zone here. And you can see in the viewer that it's currently showing the beams going from top to bottom. And I'm now going to specify them, and it shows in the viewer now going from left to right. So I've changed my detail in this case, and I'm now going to generate this floor, and you can see the resultant is the floor is going from left to right in this case. And furthermore, I can go in and change this obviously back to vertical. It shows it again in the real-time viewer, and once more I can frame this particular floor and it reverts back to a vertical. So this shows the detail in essence being controlled within your detail editor. I'm Keith Cotter, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in future sessions.